Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Eve here. In one of my previous videos, I mentioned that I've done a lot of shopping for during 21 Days of Beauty event in Ulta. That was about a month and a half ago, and I have a lot of new makeup. Everything is in this box. You guys remember I showed it to you in my last unboxing video. So I kind of use these containers to organize all my new purchases. There are a lot of products in here. If you're new here, welcome. I hope you like this video and consider subscribing before you leave today. Without any further ado, let's get into unboxing. So here we have a lot of different makeup items. We have complexion, we have accessories, we have some tools. There's literally like 50 items, if not more here. So let's start from this section right here. So I ended up picking this Nabla palette. It's a secret palette. It's absolutely stunning packaging. And the palette looks like this, absolutely gorgeous. Throughout this video, I really want you guys to let me know if you have a specific interest in me trying any of this product in my nearest videos. Like if you have used any of these items, I would like to hear your all's opinions. This next palette is Los Angeles by BH Cosmetics. Gorgeous, as you can see, it's still sealed. Beautiful spring summer palette. I also cannot wait to try this and come up with some fun looks. These two palettes by Sigma is still here. I picked up Ivy and Ritzy. I actually talked about them already in my last month's favorites, so somehow they just ended up still here in this box. This is a palette that I recently picked up in Russia on my trip. This is by the brand Pupa Milano. This is a face palette. This brand is not available in America, unfortunately. They do not even ship to America. And I just want to show it to you guys. It has a full-size mirror and it has a contouring bronzer shade right here, blush powder, cream concealer, and this is a highlighting shade. I really want to use it on camera. Let me know, guys, if you would be interested to see this palette in action. I will be waiting for your answers. These next products are basically lashes. These are my recent favorites, My Lashes by Better, and in the style No Filter. I actually repurchased 3 more packs because I've used up one already and I love it. This is a slightly different style. It says So Real. That is a little bit longer in the middle and shorter towards the inner corner and the outer corner of the eye, but also very pretty. And I took another chance and purchased another singles by Kiss. Also, it's Lash Couture. These have a little longer attachments here, so I thought I would try this one more time. Hopefully this would work out a little bit better than last time. You guys know I love my press-on nails, and I just picked up these 3 styles. They're all by Kiss. This is a beautiful long coffin style, like neutral design. I love this. It's a gel fantasy collection. This is a medium length and square shape, also neutral style that would be suitable for a day wear. And this one is a Voguish fantasy. It's also long style in a coffin shape. This is another product by Pupa Milano that I picked up. It's already opened. I kind of swatched it already. This is basically a setting powder. It has a mirror, and when you open it, it kind of looks like this, guys. Slightly a marble design. I wanted to tell you right away, it is a dupe for MAC Mineralized Skin Finish. I also picked up 2 brushes right here. This is a complexion brush, probably for a foundation or for face powder, and the shape looks really interesting. And this is concealer brush. I actually needed a new fluffy or like a larger concealer brush, so I'll be using these very soon. I also picked up this tool by Ulta Beauty. This is basically a lash applicator. I wanted to try one of these a long time ago, and just decided to get one from Ulta Beauty. How do you guys apply your lashes? Do you use tweezers, or do you use a tool like this? Let me know in the comments below. I also picked up 2 new sponges, the Camo Concealer by e.l.f. sponge and a Wet n Wild makeup sponge. Let's go to this area, and my goodness, this is all complexion products. Few things from ColourPop this time. We have a Set and Mist Hyaluronic Creamy Concealer. I picked up mine in the shade Fair 20N, and this is a hydrating foundation in the shade Fair 30N. I also picked up this Covergirl Outlast Extreme Wear 3-in-1 foundation. This is a full coverage foundation with SPF 18. I have mine in shade Classic Ivory 810. Super excited to test this foundation. Let me know if you guys want to see it in a separate testing video for my foundation Fridays. I loved the previous CoverGirl foundation of this kind and really have high hopes for this. I finally got my hands on this infallible Fresh Wear 24-hour foundation, or powder foundation rather, by L'Oreal. I got mine in the shade Vanilla 120. This is a full coverage, fresh matte finish and waterproof foundation. I couldn't get my hands on it here in America. I found it in Russia on my trip, and I know that I tested different L'Oreal powder foundations in the past and I loved all of them. I really like their formulas. They never disappoint, so I really can't wait to try this one also. Then this powder was very much hyped by so many, and this is not a new product. This is just new to my collection. This is by Katz Aqua Compact Foundation. I got mine in the shade of Porcelain 100. When you open it, there is a mirror. It looks like this. Let's go ahead and swatch. Ooh, okay. Seems like nice and brightening. It also feels like it's very softly milled, and it almost looks very smoothing. So very excited. And it obviously has a sponge inside. This CoverGirl Clean Matte BB Cream is for oily skin. I have mine in the shade 510 Fair. This is a repurchase item for me. You guys know how much I love it. I already used up 2 tubes and I gave one to my sister, and this is the next repurchased one. I love this product. The next item that I also picked up is by Wet n Wild. This is a tinted hydrator. It has hyaluronic acid and squalane added to it. This is a sheer to medium coverage. I'm very curious how this is going to work out for me because I usually tend to like medium to buildable to full coverage. As you guys know already, I'm just not used to use something that is very sheer and super hydrating because you know I'm a combination of oily skin. However, I just wanted to give it a shot. This product is also by Wet n Wild. This is a Color Icon bronzer in the shade of Reserve Your Cabana. This is considered to be a bronzer, but this is so light. I use it as a setting powder and it's beautiful because it has a very, very subtle sheen and it looks perfect for setting the whole entire face or just your under eye area. One more product that I have here is also by Wet n Wild. This is a Photo Focus translucent setting powder. This product has been sitting in my wish list for a longest time. This is an adjustable coverage foundation by Ulta Beauty. I finally found my shades, you guys. This is in the shade Fair Neutral. I spoke about this in my Instagram stories and shared with you the details how to pick shades for this. This is an amazing powder, but I did repurchase several of them. I'm not sure why the other ones are not here. I probably already took them out and started using them. But yeah, I think I purchased like 3 total because this is so good, such a good quality, such an affordable price. And I just finally found the right shades for me because the names do not match the actual shades. This is a clean, fresh, healthy look pressed powder from CoverGirl. It's in the shade 100 Translucent. It has a mirror, super cute packaging, really girly. I heard a lot of good things about it, so that's why I decided to pick it up. I will definitely be going through a lot of powders. You guys know that I have a big collection of powders because I have a combination oily skin. These 2 items are by Physicians Formula. Both of these are in a translucent shades. I've used them before and I've shared with you guys before that I really love powders from Physicians Formula. I have blog posts on my blog about repurchased Physicians Formula products, and I do like their complexion products in general. This is by Undone Beauty. This is Lip to Cheek Palette. This is a 3-in-1 color cream. So it's very interesting. I'm gonna open it up for you and kind of show you. So you guys see how this pan is separated in 3 different sections, kind of separated. So it goes from a sheer consistency to medium to thicker to more condensed. Let me go ahead and swatch because I just can't wait. I wanna go ahead and just get the color. You see how nice and shiny this is? It's a little bit sheer, so this top portion is supposed to be a little more sheer. Okay, I can definitely see that this swatched more sheer, then this is medium, and this is definitely more pigmented area. The color is beautiful, definitely very summery, so I'm excited to try it on the face. There's one new lip product that I have. It's by Nyx Professional Makeup. This is a Lingerie XXL. I have mine in the shade Warm Up. This is a liquid lipstick, and the color is so pretty. Let's go ahead and swatch, you guys. And you can see how it kind of goes very nice and creamy, but then I expect it to dry down a little bit since it's a liquid lipsticks, but we will get to see. And it claims to be super long wearing and very comfortable on lips, so should be a nicer formula. This next item is by Milani. This is their Gilded Shadow Stick. It doesn't say the name on here on the packaging. This is a new launch for them. Let's go ahead and swatch this too, you guys. So this is kind of like that metallic green, very even application too. Here I picked up several concealers, and this one is by Revolution Beauty. This is a Conceal and Hydrate Radiance Concealer with hyaluronic acid in the shade C3. This is a repurchase for me, guys. I actually really like this concealer formula, and I wanted to have a new one because I think I just ran out of my old one. And these two concealers are by Ulta Beauty. This is a full coverage liquid concealer. Got mine in the shade a light cool and a light neutral. These are my colors. I've also used them in the past, and these are repurchases for me. I also picked up a new concealer from Revolution Beauty. This is an eye brightening and illuminating formula. Really interesting to test this one. And one more item from Wet n Wild. This is a Mega Last Incognito concealer, and mine is in the shade Fair. I kind of want to go ahead and swatch this. Paddle applicator, really nice and flexible. Okay, it's definitely thicker formula, and you guys can see how bright it is. I'm just gonna tap it out, see how it blends. It looks like it kind of blends very effortlessly. Next product is by NYX Professional. This is a marshmallow primer. I picked it up in a deluxe size. Also picked up a mini size of a Maybelline Lasting Fixing Setting Spray that claims to be working up to 16 hours, and it has a matte finish. I also got my hands on this e.l.f. Putty blush in the shade Turks and Caicos. And here we have left all of the eyebrow products. This is the eyebrow gel by e.l.f. I picked up a Revlon Color Stay Brow Fiber Filler brow gel. Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel Mascara by Essence that has filling fibers. Eyebrow Shape and Gel Brow Obsessive by Wet n Wild. Brow Tint Pen by NYX Professional Makeup. Lift and Snatch. And a retractable brown pencil by Wet n Wild. That's double-sided with a spoolie. And the last item is also a tinted brow gel by Sigma Beauty. If you guys saw any products that you have interest in for me to try to my nearest videos, let me know in the comments below. This sums up my haul, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in my next videos.